Alright, back again for the third box. Alright, I'll just show you the box there. Alright, packing. What do we got? 164s in this one. Should be some 118s under it. Alright, I'll get them out and I'll give you a quick view. Alright, first one. Johnny Lightning Willies. Another Johnny Lightning Willies. Like me gases. Johnny Lightning. It's 164 scale. 170 Cougar XR7. Right, good. Fast and Furious. One of the ones I was missing. It's the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. Okay. We have a Matchbox. It's a Ford F350 stake bed truck. Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. Toyota Hilux 87 black one. Retro Entertainment 2012, this one, stroke race. Cool. Another Hilux. Combat Medic. Cool, got race tampos on it. No worries, I'll do some more videos on these later of cracking them open. Awesome, I want that one, goes with the rest of the vans I got. What else we got? Oh yeah, 29 Ford pickup. Nissan Titan. What was that one? 2006 first editions. Okay. And the Supra. Ryan's Supra. Fast and Furious, the first set. And we have the FJ40. And the Dumpin' A. That's cool, like the Myers Mags. Like that. And we have Nissan Skyline 2002 first editions. I don't know why these Skylines and all the rest of the Nissans are getting so bloody expensive. It's ridiculous. Alright, we have a 1970 Toyota Celica. Green. Right, we've got another Skyline here. It's from the Hot Wheels showrooms. GTR 34, the black. Okay. And what have I got? I've got the two what have we got? Highway haulers. Very cool. The camo card. 79 Ford pickup. Could have got the rest of those, but I wasn't interested in the rest, just the Ford 18 van. I probably won't, not sure whether I'll crack that or not. Okay, got another van. That'll definitely get cracked open. Alright. The 70 Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious. This was from the 2014 release. So I think I'm only missing the Skyline now. But I had so many other things that I wanted to get, I didn't actually want to spend the money on it, so we'll get there eventually. Another FJ40 in silver. Another FJ40 in blue. And another FJ40 in yellow. Alright, the Retro Entertainment Fast and Furious Charger and the mainline. Okay. What have we got? Chevy K1500 Matchbox. And what have we got? A GMC Wrecker, Matchbox GMC Wrecker. That boosts up the truck and full drive collection that I have. Now we should be getting on to the rest of the 118s. Chevy Bel Air Fire Chief. 1957. Very good. Okay. We've got a Maisto 65 Pontiac GTO First Edition. Hopefully you can see that there alright. '34 Ford pickup. Yeah, on Pro Street, yeah. National Schools is made by Road Legends. Okay. And we have an old, what have we got? Maisto Corvette boxes. Pretty dirty. Car's fine though. These are all 118. do separate videos. Unboxing. Oh, thank God, this one's alright. Another 32. For Hot Wheels. Yeah, I'm a bit devastated that other 1/18 scale that I got is stuffed. I'll have to try and sort something out with it. Okay, what have we got? This one's the Chevy Bel Air 957 by Road Legends, and that is it. Yep, that is it. Alright, yep, nothing else in that box. Yep. Okay, and obviously drunk Budweiser. Alright, that's it for now, and probably it for the collection for a little while. I've got to find homes for all these things. I've got to do a few more cabinets, I've got to sort some stuff out. I'll keep doing some unboxing videos, or cracking videos of most of this stuff. And yeah, might do a video soon, a bit of an update video of me and what I do and what I like, what I collect, just some general information maybe. Alright, well, see you later.